When my wife and her family really wanted to go horseback riding, I honestly wasn't too excited. You'd think being from Oklahoma, I'd be more excited about riding a horse, but it's just never really been my thing. But I figured, hey, what the heck? So I hopped on, and I actually had a really good time.
Woo!
Our horseback ride took us through the jungle, which was really cool. We saw some wild monkeys, and we even got to go up close to a giant tree. It felt like we were in Jungle Book or something, just the way they had the vines and everything all over it. After we were done horseback riding through the jungle, we ended up at the beach. It was a really cool experience also.
Is he gonna drink this? Yeah, I guess so. He wants a little drink. I guess so.
Overall, I really enjoyed riding the horses. I'm glad that my wife talked me into it. It was a blast, and I recommend it to anyone that's going to Costa Rica. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you got any comments or questions about horseback riding around Costa Rica, leave us a comment. We'd love to chat. If you want to see more travel videos, please give us a subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next trip.